Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the pound yen. Right, we know that the pound has been the best performing currency this week, especially since it's such a risk-on week. So we just want to look at how it will perform against the safe haven. So what we have here is actually the daily chart, and it's interesting to see that the pound yen is actually in an uptrend. How do I know it's an uptrend? It made a low, it made a higher low, and it made a higher low. Now we can actually connect all these higher lows, all right, and it will show us clearly that the pound yen is really in an uptrend, right? So let's just keep it here. Okay, let's keep this trend line here and keep this in mind, right? And further, we see that if we were to take retracement from this low to this high, this movement, right, we see that price actually react here. It is a key Fibonacci ratio as well. Yeah, I'm thinking it's actually the 7640, right? So it's right there on the 7640. So when we see 7640 or 61.8, a key Fibonacci ratio with a trend line, that is really what I call confluence, and that is a very powerful level to play off against. So now that we have the daily support, okay, let's call this daily support. All right, let's go down to the 4-hour. So on a 4-hour, this is what we have as well, right? Price has actually made a zigzag push up. So let's use our Fibonacci extension from 0.1, 2 to 3 and open all Fibonacci ratio. I think it's at a 161.8, but let's just look at it. Okay. So really we are right on the 61.8 right now. Okay. So 61.8, 100% and 61.8. 161.8, 100% and 61.8 are key Fibonacci extension ratios. So what I'm expecting price to do is that at a 161.8 or possibly even overextending to this level here, which could be the 2 times, okay, price could actually push up towards this area and then make a reversal back down to this trend line before continuing its upward trend. All right, but since we have a resistance here and there's like a doji forming on the 4-hour, so let's just highlight the 161.8. Okay, and I'm going to put the resistance here. Okay, so now we have the resistance here. We want to see how far price can come back down. Okay, the movement, the upward push started from here and it ended here. So let's use a Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high and open all Fibonacci ratios. Now remember I say we like to see a Fibonacci ratio that is actually in line with the trend line, right? So let me tidy up this trend line. Okay, this trend line is too far away. Okay, so because it's too far away, we can actually use a nearer trend line that connects all this low, right? We can use a nearer trend line that connects all this low since we're on the 4-hour. So from the low, just straight line, and nearest trend line is actually 23.6, right? So I'm just going to highlight 23.6. Okay, so let me just highlight 23.6. Okay, so we have the 23.6 here. I will put this as the support. So right now, this is what I see. There are two scenarios here right now. Okay, one scenario is price comes back down to test this trend line at the 23.6 area and then continues its upward push. That's the first scenario. The second scenario is that price actually breaks above the 161.8, okay, makes a small pullback and continues its upward push. So these are the two possible levels of entry that we have. And where will I play to? There's a high, okay, where would the potential target be? There's a high here and there's a low down here, okay. So this is actually one movement, one leg movement. If we go back to the daily, we see that this is one strong movement down. So we can use a retracement, all right, from the high to the low and open all Fibonacci ratios. So you see at 23.6 is a nice support, turn resistance, turn support again. Okay, let's open all Fibonacci ratios. And we see that the 61.8 is the first level, right? There's the 61.8 first level, followed by the 78.6, which is at this graphical level. Okay, so we can highlight these two levels, the 61.8 and the 78.6. So what I'll do is I'll actually since I'm using our for the sake of everybody here, I'll think more in terms of being a conservative trader. I have my buy entry confirmation at this level, right? And then of course my take profit at this level, my partial take profit at this level, followed by my full take profit at this level here. Okay, and this is what I'll do. Once price break above the buy entry, I'll have my take profit here and my take profit there. And of course, my stop loss will be slightly below this 23.6. All right, I'll back it up a bit, okay, because this 23.6 is possibly another entry level. Okay, so this for the low risk traders. All right, and last thing I want to do is I want to confirm with the moving average. All right, confirm the moving average. I don't really want it to be so sensitive. 9 periods, I want something with more breadth, 34. So we see that price holds in a downtrend, price holds below the 34 very nicely. So in an uptrend, we are holding above the 34. So technical indicators confirm as well that we are in a bullish trend along with this ascending trend line. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's video of Pound Yen. I hope that this has helped you. Wish you guys all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care.